To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the menu that slides in from the right, select Settings and Privacy. Under the Account section, go to Privacy. On the next page, under the Interactions section, select Direct Messages. Under the Safety Tools section, you will find Nude Filter. Simply turn the slider on to enable it. From now on, TikTok will automatically detect and blur nude or sensitive images in your direct messages. This feature keeps your TikTok messages safer, by automatically blocking or blurring unwanted nude or sensitive images. So, this is how you can enable the nude filter on TikTok to keep your DMs safe.